Welcome to English with Sojib. This is Majidul Islamar. So without further ado, let's jump right into the presentation. The world is added on different shots and exotic places. I always visit the countries around the world. Among them, India is the country that I would like to go the most because, well, India is a very good for operation and treatment. Bangladeshi doctor said me India is a very good for operation and treatment. Then I must go there for operation my ear infection. You know that India is a South Asian country border with the country of Bangladesh, and India is a very beautiful place. Is the desert, snow, mountain and all etc. of rich of clothes and food. For example, the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal built the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, and I won't miss the Himalaya standing north south is part evergreen the country. That's all for the time being. Thank you very much to speaking, brothers and sisters. This is a very nice moment with you. See you again. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share with your family and friends. Bye.